Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best sublimation buttons is probably one of the most versatile and exciting blank products available for customization, allowing creators to bring their unique designs to life on wearable art that truly pops with vibrant, full-color graphics, making them perfect for personal expression, promotional items, or even small business ventures where eye-catching appeal is paramount. Number 5. Palksky Sublimation Earring Blanks DIY Kit. Introducing the Palksky Sublimation Earring Blanks Kit, perfect for your DIY jewelry projects. Get ready to create stunning, personalized earrings for yourself or as thoughtful gifts. This set comes with 50 sublimation earrings, plus packaging and jump rings, ensuring you have everything you need. Share the fun of DIY crafting with friends and family. Crafted from high-quality wood with a smooth, bright surface, these blanks are designed for excellent sublimation. Enjoy crisp, vibrant image transfers with every use. Easily create unique earring designs that reflect your personal style or themes. They make for incredibly personalized and practical gifts for any occasion. Our teardrop earring blanks feature a smooth, easy-to-sublimate surface. Made from high-quality wood, they are odorless and biodegradable for a safe crafting experience. We are committed to your satisfaction with our sublimation earring blanks. Enjoy a worry-free purchase with our full refund policy and responsive customer support. What we like? Looking for a complete set for DIY earrings? This option provides a generous quantity of double-sided sublimation wood blanks along with hooks and rings. If you enjoy creating personalized jewelry with vibrant, crisp images and want a hassle-free crafting experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The buttons are great for sublimation printing, producing vibrant and clear images. The pin mechanism is sturdy and holds the button securely in place. These blanks are easy to sublimate on, with consistent results every time. Number 4. Snapins 3 DIY Pin Back Buttons, 12-pack. Unleash your creativity with these easy-to-use pin back buttons. Each one is perfect for showcasing your unique photos or custom designs. With 12 buttons included, you have plenty of space to personalize. They're ideal for adding a special touch to any project. These are perfect for a wide range of uses, from fun craft projects to promoting your business or campaigns. Let your imagination guide you. Crafted from thick, durable plastic, these buttons are built to last. The pieces simply snap together, making assembly a breeze. You can feel good knowing that these high-quality buttons are made right here in the USA. Experience the difference of American craftsmanship. What we like? Need a quick and easy way to create custom buttons? These snap-together plastic buttons are incredibly durable and come with pre-cut inserts. If you're looking for a simple solution for craft projects, business promotions, or campaign materials that can be assembled in seconds, this pack is ideal. What people say. Great 3-inch size, big enough to see. Easy to use, and this product is sturdy and well made. They fit great, and if you follow instructions, print out the right size photos. These are a fun and excellent product. Easy to open and they work very well. Once you create or print your badge message and graphics, it easily snaps together securely. Guests were surprised and happy to wear them and take them home. Number 3. 58mm blank pin back buttons parts for button maker machine. This complete set includes everything you need for professional-looking results. You'll get an equal number of metal covers, plastic backs, clear film, and blank paper. Perfect for your 58mm button maker, these supplies let you create unique buttons. Make personalized gifts, souvenirs, or name tags for any occasion. Crafted with quality PVC film for a lustrous finish, these buttons are built to last. The durable metal cover and rust-proof plastic base ensure longevity, and the metal pin allows for repeated use. Making your own custom buttons is simple. Just choose your image, place it on the metal shell, add the mylar and plastic, and press to create your unique badge. We offer more than just a great product, we provide high-quality service. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll resolve them promptly for your peace of mind. What we like? Are you a button-making enthusiast with a 58mm machine? This comprehensive kit includes all the necessary parts, metal covers, plastic backs, clear film, and blank paper, for professional-looking results. If you want to produce durable, rust-resistant buttons repeatedly for events or gifts, this set is a fantastic value. What people say. The buttons are easy to assemble and the images come out vibrant and clear. Good quality blanks, perfect for sublimation printing. The pin backs are sturdy and attach well. I love that these buttons are made of durable material and hold the sublimation transfer perfectly, resulting in professional-looking badges. Number 2. Juvale 2.25-inch blank button pins. Discover the perfect canvas for your imagination. These blank pins are ideal for creating personalized photo buttons and enhancing any creative project. Crafted from durable, clear acrylic, these pins are designed for longevity. They are perfect for making homemade pins and can be reused without losing their clarity. These versatile pins are suitable for a wide range of events. Use them to create custom campaign buttons or personalized shirt pins with your favorite pictures. Each pin measures a convenient 2.25 inches, offering ample space for your unique designs. This size ensures your creations are both visible and impactful. This comprehensive set includes 36 clear acrylic button pins, complete with backs and covers. You'll have everything necessary to start creating custom buttons right away. What we like. Seeking a versatile and reusable option for custom buttons? These clear acrylic buttons offer a durable platform for your designs, photos, or messages. If you love creating personalized pins for various occasions, from campaign buttons to photo inserts, and appreciate a clear, long-lasting finish, this bulk pack is a great pick. What people say. Super easy to make pins with, none of them arrived cracked or damaged. They are nice and spacious. They are high quality and are clear, which I needed. They are great for personalizing your own pins. These were a big hit. Such a cute and personalized way to make buttons. I used them for our XCT, making them a new button every time they got a new personal record. I also used them to make buttons with each child's picture for their parents. I could use the free Avery templates online with Avery template number 22807 sticker label pages I also bought on Amazon. Start on one side snapping them together and work your way around. Number 1. Yesland 60 packs 2.4-inch acrylic button pins. Introducing our premium acrylic button pins, designed for your creative endeavors. Each set features a crystal clear, durable acrylic shell and a rust-proof stainless steel pin. Creating your own custom buttons has never been easier. Simply separate the two acrylic pieces, insert your design, and snap them back together, no tools required. These buttons are designed for repeated use, allowing you to change your designs as often as you like. Personalize them with words, photos, or figures to match any occasion. Ideal for DIY crafts, school projects, or as unique gifts. Customize them for friends, coworkers, birthday parties, weddings, and more. This package includes 60 sets of acrylic buttons, each measuring 2.36 inches. You'll have plenty to share and create a variety of personalized badges. Crafted from high-quality, transparent acrylic, these buttons are built to last. Enjoy a smooth, clear surface without any scratches, ensuring your designs always look their best. What we like. Want to make a large batch of custom buttons with minimal effort? This kit features premium, clear acrylic buttons that are easy to assemble without any tools. If you're planning a school project, organizing an event, or simply love making personalized gifts and memorial pins, this generous pack is perfect for you. What people say. These buttons are so darn simple to make. I took one of its individual baggie and I was able to remove the round top cover with a gentle push on the back. The needle is sharp and puffed to go through your clots, yet it feels very secure. This is made with a thick plastic that feels very sturdy. Each button came unassembled in their own individual bag. Very pleased with the quality and easy assembly. I really like that they are individually wrapped so I can reuse the little package again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.